Hey everyone! I hope you're having an awesome day today. Let's jump right into the charts because TLM is seeing some crazy action. TLM just experienced some serious high volatility, surging over 50% intraday. This massive move was heavily driven by renewed interest in GameFi and some really strong technical momentum. Speaking of technical momentum, it is currently sitting at medium. We saw some incredibly strong bullish momentum indicated by an MACD crossover and the RSI reaching extreme overbought levels at 86.4 earlier in the session. All of this action fueled the trading volume all the way up to $12.4 million. Now, looking at whale activity, it is currently low. We are seeing mixed large inflow and outflow data, which suggests that some large players were definitely active during these volatile price swings, contributing to those wild intraday fluctuations. Want to get daily premium trading calls and personal chart requests? Simply DM me your favorite crypto over on Patreon. The link is right down there in the description. Also, if you are enjoying these updates, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more crypto market analysis. And a quick reminder, guys, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any trades. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.